Along with her she took my heart. Rain, please tell me now, does that seem fair? For her to steal my heart away when she don't care. I can't love another with my heart somewhere far away. The only girl I care about is gone away, looking for a brand new start. But little does she know the night she left that day, along with her she took my heart.
Call the Hotel Whiz now and get instant access to rates to load up publish.
800-294-7417. 800-294-7417. 800-294-7417. How to incorporate in just 10 minutes. Step 1. Stop putting it off. If you're not incorporated in someone's suit, you can reach your farm car like Step 2. Tap this banner for a free 10-minute incorporation.
Sure, what seems to be the problem over here?
No legal or financial advice.
Seem to be enjoying yourself an awful lot.
Step 3. Congratulate yourself. By taking just 10 minutes to incorporate or form an LLC, you protected your home, car, and savings. Tap the banner now for your free.
Looks like the wrong thread size.
Hurry while
Well, it
it's still
starts
free.
when you take the other line off.
Oh,
It's so
gotcha.
tight. It's gonna be like perfectly lined
Maybe Mr. Sandman will bring you a dream. So I'm gonna get this fender all perfect and we're gonna go to bolt on the car and it's not even gonna fit.
I could bring the car over.
I figured out who the neighbor around the corner is.
Oh yeah?
I like him a lot.
Ooh.
He lets me talk as much as I want, is very simple, and has great plans.
Okay, I have to meet him.
Sure. Say hi. This is Metro PCX.
Metro PCS is in your neighborhood. Come say hi and get unlimited data, talk, and text for only $30 per period. All on the fast nationwide 4G LTE T-Mobile network. Metro PCS. Wireless. Figure it out.
Coverage not available in some areas. 1 gigabyte of high-speed data included. See store for details, terms, and conditions, and data management info.
It's time for your inspection, sir. Yo, did you get that cap back pushed in? No? Jeez. You already failed your inspection before you even got started. Now, what's gonna bolt that down to the frame? Nothing. It probably doesn't need to be, right? I mean, none of the brake lines in the 57 are tied down to anything. They're all flopping around. Yeah, I know that's the way we like to do things. Add some customness. How'd you get under here and do this? Oh man, I got a brake light switch and everything.
While you're done, you can just lengthen those wires.
Oh, they don't reach? Son of a... What if I just pull on them real hard? Got the front line in. Rear line. And we're almost ready to go for a drive.
Ready by the time you come
Okay. One step closer.
Yes, we are.
One step closer to getting the body work done on this fender, but we don't have any glazing putty. Forgot to thank Charlie for sending me his boxes of junk from his garage.
Yeah, thank you.
Yeah, Jim thanks you because Jim took everything good out of here. I wouldn't say he took it, I kind of gave it to him. But still, he took it. Except I'm going to use these. Now, I'm going to be honest, I can't say I'm going to use this. I mean, it's nice.
You never know, sir.
But maybe someday we'll need it. I'd like to be able to use this. Maybe someday also. But yeah, there's some good stuff in here. You know, lots of good brake parts. There was a real sweet, brand new master cylinder. I guess Christina stole that, technically. Even though she doesn't know about it. And license plate light.
I traded you this glove box thing for it, sir.
Right. And he also threw in some windshield wiper armors for a Chevy truck, so wherever that went. There must be a secret that I don't know about, that maybe those work on the older bugs or something. I don't know, we got some good blades.
You haven't thrown any butt connectors in?
No, no butt connectors. Charlie, I need some butt connectors. Brake hoses. Wheel cylinders, brake shoes, springs. Deck lid spring, which Jim needs, except he needs a deck lid to go with it, because this is all ripped out. Sweet gas pedal. I don't know. Just a whole plethora of goodness. And luckily, he made sure none of it got broken by ensuring everyone knew it was fragile. Anyway, I'd like to thank Charlie, 56 Rat Bug, for, you know, cleaning out his junk drawer. And lots of good stuff there.
Sir, you should tell everybody how excited you are.
freeprints.today.com. That's freeprints.today.com.
But these dust covers.
The dust covers?
Discover the new rules of making money.
These? I was excited. I was so excited. We went and bought these dust covers. And then I put them on. Then I realized we never cotter pinned the nuts in there. Which is technically Jim's fault. Because he put it together and then he was done and he covered it up with a rubber glove so it didn't get dirty, and then he started looking for the dust covers, which we didn't have, but he looked for them like he was ready to put them on. So that's why that happened. I just put them on. Now I'll take them back off. Anyway, yeah. So as soon as the rear line's hooked up, I can cross that off our list over here, which I made. This is just the stuff I thought of off the top of my head. Yeah, I'm sure there's plenty of stuff I didn't put on here, but as long as we get her done by, you know, April or so. So yeah, lots of good stuff going on here. Like a football game in about a half hour. One thing a lot of people don't realize is when you're working on these German cars, that it's a must to go the extra mile and get the German Bondo too. Because, you know, you don't want to half-ass this stuff. Only the German Bondo will do.
It's a long trip.
It's a long trip, right, but we finally got through customs. And German Bondo. So, yeah. Oh man, I don't know.
Yeah, look how high this thing is. This thing must be stock high.
Oh, got all blurry on me. That's the one you're talking about?
Yeah, that's the one I showed.
You're going lower than that, sir. Yep. It's a little more like it.
That's like 20s or something.
Yeah, I don't like that look. I like this 15s better, but... I actually like these bias plies. I think I might put them on mine. If you had another trim ring.
Yeah, look off.
Good night, E.T. Have a nice drive.